everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, it's going to be a collective haul. I have places from Burlington Coat Factory, Target, and Marshall's. So you guys know I have a shopping addiction, and I usually go shop with my mom, and we help each other, but it's not a really good helping. That makes any sense whatsoever. And you can probably hear my cat going into the bags. Yeah, you! If you like collective hauls, and if you like hauls, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. So let's just get into it. I am going to start off with Burlington Coat Factory. Mind you, I do not have the bag. I just put it in this Kate Spade bag, but I didn't buy anything from Kate Spade. So the first item that I'm just gonna grab from the bag, what are you doing? Is this shirt. It's a little bit wrinkled, but looks like this. It's blue striped with embroidered flowers on it, and this is from the brand Nanette Lepore. I don't know. It says our low price is at $22.99, but got on sale for $15. So yeah, that was my first time going into Burlington Coat Factory. I always see a lot of things about makeup, but I didn't really find any makeup. But I found a lot of good accessories. So the next thing I got was this velvet headband. I might have posted a picture. I know I have on my personal, which I can link all my socials right here, so you gotta follow me. Do it. Go do it. I've been really into velvet headbands with my new hair, and this is by Twig and Arrow, and I got this for $3.99, and it was originally $12, so steal. The next are earrings, which I'm very excited about. First are very simple ones. These are just blue ones, blue studs. These were $4.99, and here come the fun ones. I'm so excited about these. I feel like every blogger and every Instagram person has these, and I was like, I want to be part of the in crowd. So I didn't want to spend like 30 bucks like on Bubble Bar. I bought stuff in Bubble Bar before, but these were $4.99. Just saying, not on sale. That was the original price. Just saying. The next earrings I have are these. I just think they're so cute. Obviously not with this outfit, but I feel like with my hair down on a night out, or I just been trying to get out of my comfort zone. As you can tell from some of the things I'm going to show you. But yeah, got those, and those were $3.99. And the last thing from Burlington Coat Factory, I got her these. These are tassel earrings. They're all beaded, and these were on sale for $2.99. I know you probably won't be able to see them, but I feel like it would look really cool with my hair. I don't know. I tried to find different colors, but I thought try these out so they don't stand out as much in my hair. I don't know. On to Target. I got a new planner. Yep. This is by Made Designs, and I absolutely love it. I've already wrote in it, and it's just your typical planner. So this one actually closes, and I like this one a lot better. And the next two things I got were headbands. This one is a light dusty pink, and I have a 10, and this was originally $10 and I got it for $5. This black one, I don't know how I'm going to style this, because when I put it here, the bump just looks so weird, so I have to figure that out. But this was, I believe this one was $9. A little on the expensive side for a headband, but still. And then, I am very proud of this. So these sunglasses, you're probably thinking, oh, you can't even like, they're mirrored, they're like a pinkish gold, and they have like a little thing right here. I'll put them like halfway on. I think they'd be really cool in the summer. I'm not going to lie to you. Got these in the dollar section for $3. Sunglasses. Cute little fashionable ones for $3. Like, are you insane? So I've been wearing these, and I just absolutely love them. So that was Target. Now on to Marshalls, which is going to take the longest. I have a few things from Marshalls. The first trip I got, my friend Laurie, she got me a Marshalls gift card for my birthday. Thanks, Laurie. And I got a phone case, which it's in my phone case collection. I'll put a picture up of it. I believe it was $12.99 or something like that. But then, as in my everyday makeup routine, I can link that up above. I got a new moisturizer. This is the kind that I absolutely love, and this was $5.99. So excited for that, because I thought I wasn't going to be able to find it again, and I found it. This was featured in my Anastasia lip swatches. I'll link that in the cards as well. My first one, it's $6.99, and it is in the color Catnip. It just looks like that. Very, very dusty mauve pink color. Last thing from this trip, which I'm so excited about. I love sweaters during the spring, and I like them as jackets. So it was originally $20, and I got it for $12, and it's by the brand Larry Levine. It was originally $69. It's just this long gray cardigan. It's going to be really hard to see, but I just absolutely love it. It's going to look good with like ripped jeans, white t-shirt, and some booties. I just love it. So that was the first trip to Marshall. So I have a few things, and I have one thing that I'm very, very excited about. I needed new makeup wipes, so I got the Clinical Works Charcoal Wipes Detox Face Wipes. Detoxifies, removes makeup, and moisturizes skin for all skin types. And there are 60 of them here, and it was $3.99. If you want makeup wipes, always go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They always have like a big selection. I bet if you've watched Target and Marshalls hauls, you already know this by now. When this originally came out, I was like, oh my god, I need it. And it is the Marble Bold Collections sponge. It's the diamond one, which I wanted to buy two, but I was just like, no, I can't. So this was $4.99, and I'm just so excited to use this. Oh, you guys know I love my marble. I've had like 3 marble sponges by now. So the next thing I have is this t-shirt, which me and my mom are going to share. I am so excited for this. This is like right up my alley. I've gotten to like more prints, but is this like palm tree t-shirt, and it kind of looks like it's tied, but not really. It's kind of like crisscrossed in the front. I just think it's be so cute with ripped jeans and like maybe some like fake Vans. So very excited about that. Oh, and this was $14.99. Now the second to last thing that I'm so excited about, I saw this was a last minute purchase, and I was just like, I need that, oh my god. And it is this denim jacket, and I already have one, but it's not distressed. It's like this plain jean one. And so this one has embroidered flowers on it, distressing. It's only distressed in the front, and I just absolutely love this. I'm obviously going to show this and like a get ready with me and all that. I love the flowers on it. I think it's going to be a great staple for spring, and I have a lot of concerts I'm going to be going to, so this will be a definitely go to. And this was $20, the most expensive thing in this whole haul. And the last thing, which I'm so excited about, you're probably thinking, what? A purse? Didn't you just do what's in that bag? I did. But I've been wanting a new purse for so long, and I'm a bag person. It is bad. And I blame my mother, because she bought me like my first little Easter purse when I was younger, so blame you, Mom, for this addiction. So this bag is Love Betsy by Betsy Johnson. I know you're thinking Betsy Johnson's not really in right now, but you can barely tell what it says, and you can even hold it that way. But I just thought it was it's different. I needed something different in my life. I thought it was really cute. They had other ones and came with a pom-pom, and I'm really excited, so I might put it on this side if I don't want to show that, but you really can't tell. But obviously velvet, been into this very much lately, and it is very spacious. I obviously switched my stuff over in the car while we were leaving, and it's very, very, very spacious. And it has like, the zipper is like a little kiss print, and I thought that was so adorable. And I saved the tags. I knew I was going to do a haul. The original Betsey Johnson price was $68, which I thought was ridiculous. But the original price of this, oh good lord, $20, but it was compared at $38, and the original was $20, but I got it for $12. So I think I'm very excited. I don't know, this is not everyone's cup of tea, but I'm very excited for this bag. When I saw it, I was just like, that's something different, and I need to get out of my comfort zone. By the way, hyped up on coffee. That was my big sort of collective spring accessories and clothing haul from Burlington Coat Factory, Target, and Marshalls. If you like hauls, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Follow my socials. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.